Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Fahad Abdul Aziz, founder and CEO of Fajij Pro. So today I will show you how to add a Google Fonts in your Tailwind CSS. So before jumping into the content, at first you should know what is Tailwind CSS. So here you can see that Tailwind CSS is a utility first CSS framework that lets you build and design web pages using predefined classes. So what does predefined classes means? So if you see, there is a classes name, underline, font bold. These are called predefined classes. So font bold means font weight bold. Underline means text decoration underline. So you don't need to write text decoration underline. So you can simply write underline and the style will be applied automatically. So these are called predefined classes. So what is the difference between users of Tailwind CSS and normal CSS writing? So I've already created a project. You can see that there are three lines, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So I will add a color in this heading 1 using normal CSS. So I'll give an ID name h1, and now I will give a color red. So as you can see, the red color is applied on the first heading 1. This is called the normal CSS. So to write CSS in Tailwind CSS, we need to integrate it first. So I will just simply copy the script file and simply paste it in this line. And now I will write text YOLO. So you can see there are different types of color: YOLO 300, YOLO 400, 500. That means it's opacity level 300, 400, 500. So as the higher the number is, the opacity level will be higher. So I will select text YOLO 400 and the color will be applied in this heading 2. So this is the power of using Tailwind CSS. So now I will show you how to add a font, Google Fonts in Tailwind CSS. So if you're fast using Google Fonts, so right, I will search Poppins and now I'll select this. So I will select a regular font. Now here you can see that there are two options, link and import. So I will select link and I will click on this copy button. Now I'll go to the VS Code and paste it in this section, head section, under the head section. Nothing will be changed because we didn't integrated these bobbins in our Tailwind CSS. So we need to write a script. So if you go to the Tailwind CSS website, you will see that script section. So I will simply copy this text and paste it in this Visual Studio Code. So I don't need to color right now, so I will delete it. Under this color, write a name, our font family. So our font is Poppin. So I will give a name for that font. So Poppins. Poppins. And you need to write the exact names. So you can see nothing is changed. So I will add the Google Fonts in this third heading. This is heading 3. I will add this Poppins font in this heading 3. Now I will write the font name Poppins. Now here is the difference. The first line and the second line look similar, but the third line looks different because we have added font Poppins. To check it whether the font is applied or not, we can use font finder. So I'll simply click on it and you can see that our font family name Poppins activated. So this is the first method. Now I will show you the second method. Okay, it's also looks similar, second method. So we will delete this tailwind.config file and paste it in the file name tailwind.config.js and paste on it, and we need to add a JS file. So here you can see our font is already applied. So we will create another paragraph. So you see that the fourth line is not using Poppins font. So I will write Poppins in this paragraph. Font Poppins. Now you can see that our font is already attached. So this is the method 2